trains, throw them at your head, and try to land them on your horns.
This is a Manhattan-bound Red Express line commuter train. Next stop is Bay Bridge Road. Stand clear, closing doors. This is a Brooklyn Mountain 2 train. The next stop is 72nd Street.
Guys, great news. I just watched the finale of Cali Beach High,
please.
and I'm ready to dish. Can you believe Chad rode that dolphin into the eye of a hurricane?
Chad. Which one was he again?
Grandpa.
Of the show? The one who we find out is secretly dating Kylie's evil twin sister, Delilah? What was his name? Is this a dream you had? Guys, Cali Beach High. 2 days ago, you couldn't stop talking about it.
Exactly. Cali Beach High is so 2 days ago. Now, we're watching a brand new show that's totally different. Zombie Beach High.
Don't say anything. That's the next show I want. Can you believe that Zombie Chad and Zombie Kylie are married and adopted a puppy? And you want to know a spoiler? I really don't.
This is Times Square, 42nd Street. Transfer is available to the 137A, C, E, N, Q, and R trains. Transfer is available to the shuttle to the Grand Central. Connection is available to Port Authority Bus Terminal. This is a 137th Street, Lehman College bound 2 local train via the 1 line. The next stop is 59th Street, Columbus Circle. Stand clear of the closing doors, please.
As you know, prom is...
Wait, are you asking me prom?